So this is just a brief video to show how you can perform a sort that is better or faster than the inbuilt Python sort function. This is a form of counting sorts, and I've been doing a series on sorts, and I go into this in quite some detail in a video that's just come out. So if you want to find out more about this algorithm, why not hop over and have a look there after this video. But what we do is I just generate an array using the random function. It's got 1,000,000 elements between 0 and 1,000 for each element randomly chosen, and then we use the time function to get a runtime for each of these, both the better sort algorithm and the Python inbuilt sorted algorithm. Let's see how they both perform. So the better sort did it in 0.4 and Python 0.6 of a second. Now I'm not attempting to say that Python sort isn't good. It's fantastic and in practically every instance better than this sort. But it's an exciting little look at how understanding the context and shape of your data can allow you to make more informed choices about the sorting algorithms you use. I know this was a bit of a cheeky video, and that there's a level to which that sort is definitely not better than Python's internal sort. But it's quite fun to see how in tailoring we can make something that is very, very efficient. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to find out more, have a look at the other videos which I'll link somewhere around me to do with these sorting algorithms. Anyway, hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!